Wake up, little spider. Wake up. No, you're not dead yet. Just paralyzed temporarily. You're an amazing creature, Spider-Man. You and I aren't so different. Well, to each his own. I choose my path and you choose the path of the hero they found you amusing for a while. The people of this city. But the one thing they love more than a hero is to see him fail, fall, die trying. In spite of everything you've done for them, eventually they will hate you. Why bother? Here's the real truth. There are 8 million people in this city, and those teeming masses exist for the sole purpose of lifting the few exceptional people onto their shoulders. You and me, we're exceptional. I could squash you like a bug right now, but I'm offering you a choice. Join me. Imagine what we could accomplish together. What we could create, or we could destroy. Cause the death of countless innocents in our selfish battle again and again and again until we're both dead. Is that what you want? Think about it, hero.